In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to install the plugin from third-party site, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then select Add New. Here on top, you have Upload Plugin button, click on it. From here you can choose the file to upload. Click on Choose File button and open the plugin zip file to upload. Once done, click on Install Now button to install it. Once done, click on this Activate Plugin button to activate button. Then click on Go to Plugin Installer. Next, select Installed Plugins from Plugins. And here in the list you can see your new plugin you have just uploaded. So from here you can activate and delete it. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.